Hey guys, welcome to Touque Tuesday.
It's Touque Tuesday, eh?
Hey, this is gonna be like Touque Tuesday tip day.
Touque Tuesday tip day from the Canadians, eh?
Yeah, when you're Canadian, there's one thing as Canadians we know. We know how to get our supplies, go down into our basement, and stay there for weeks. Okay?
Basically, this whole thing with the quarantining and self-isolation and social distance.
Oh, we got it.
This is old news to Canadians, eh?
Yeah.
Like, seriously, Hoser, we've been doing this for every single winter. It's called hibernation, dude.
Who'd you call a hoser?
You're
Me?
a hoser.
Oh, okay. All right, I can take that. So, here's our tips.
So we're going to help you out. We're going to give you some Canadian tips on how to quarantine like a Canadian.
Yeah, these are real good tips. Like, seriously.
Awesome.
Like, pay attention.
All right, first tip.
First tip, have lots of bacon, syrup, and other supplies so you don't run out of having something to eat.
If you have bacon, if you have maple syrup, if you got like flour and water to make pancakes, eh?
Yeah, a few
You're
eggs.
good. You're good to go.
Got chickens over there.
We got
We're good.
Can you hear the chickens? We
We're
got
good.
chickens. We got eggs. We're good.
We're good.
That's all you need.
We need water.
Lots of bacon.
That's right.
And water.
Yeah.
Yes.
So we just cooked some bacon.
But you can eat snow.
You can. So
As long as it's clean. Don't eat the yellow snow.
We cooked some bacon. Hey, so when you're in the camper and you're making your favorite, you know, you want to make it Canadian style because that's just awesome. So I've already cooked up some. I got more to cook up, but I'm going to show you the secret ingredient. When you take your maple syrup and you do what Cousin David did, and you just make it, oh, so good. Cousin David did. And you just make it. There you go. Ah, smells so good. Enjoy. It's all for you.
Yum. Oh man, it smells delicious.
I know. Never done that before. Hey, when you have to stay, what's that new term? That distance thing?
Social distancing.
Social distancing.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's it.
Well, guess what? We've been doing that for the last century.
Canadians have a huge personal bubble space. We're
Hey.
like 6 feet on either side at all times unless we're married.
Hey, you're too close.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah. Oh,
Move over, you hoser.
and people they get disgusted, like you know, a guy and a girl go dating and they're like, ew, why are you sitting within 3 feet?
So close.
Seriously.
So we have a tip for you. When you are out in public and you want to keep your distance from someone, just carry a hockey stick and make sure you are a hockey stick's length away from each other
Yeah.
at all times.
And you know when
You're good.
when you're going like this and you're turning around with that hockey stick, it will make people fan out.
It's like an automatic
It's normal.
space. It's
and
like
in
you got your
Canada,
6 feet.
there won't be anybody in that space anyways.
So you're good.
You're good. All right, number 2. Hey, we went to the grocery store. We found some shelves were empty, but most of the shelves had lots of good stuff in it.
Did they have maple syrup, eh?
They did.
Yeah?
And they had bacon.
Bacon? Then we're good.
We're good.
But the government tells us we should also
Well-
have this thing called hand sanitizer.
The paper thing was a little bit lean, so you know, napkins. You should have your paper.
Canadians,
Bathroom tissue in a box is okay.
Tim Hortons napkins, you know, whatever.
Whatever it takes.
It all works.
Yeah. So we're good. And the one thing they didn't have official hand sanitizer. Guess
Okay,
what?
This is legit. This is like aside from Touque Tuesday, I am seriously a very germ-aware person.
Yes, she
and
is.
I cannot function without like my hand sanitizer, eh?
So I'm gonna hand sanitize
Seriously.
right here. Watch really carefully. Lisa's gonna hook me up.
What? Are you serious?
Oh, I am totally serious.
This is so
Here,
gross.
I took my gloves off.
You're gonna smell like a Christmas tree.
I took
eh?
my gloves off. Give me some.
The gloves are off.
All right, and here we go, and that's good. All right, here we go. Here we go. Look at that. All right, and here we go, and that's good. All right, here we go. Here we go. Look at that. My hands are being sanitized right now. They smell wonderful, but seriously, they're also sanitized. So when I put them back, my gloves back on, these are sanitized hands inside my gloves.
You heard it here first, folks.
We found shelves and shelves and shelves full of that stuff at the grocery store. You're good to go. Smells good, hey?
It smells like the dentist, eh?
Yeah, I'm not going to the dentist, but I smell like that. Okay, what else?
All right, what other hibernation? I mean, Canadians, we hibernate every winter.
That's right.
So when you're bored and you're just hibernating in your house or your RV or your trailer or motorhome, whatever, there's some things you can do.
Watch more YouTube?
Watch YouTube.
Yeah.
You can actually binge watch our playlist right here. We'll put the link up here. You can start from the very beginning. Those are entertaining.
Hey, I got a tip.
Or any of your other favorite content
There's
creators.
lots out there.
Absolutely.
And one of the best tips is take about 20 minutes per day to watch relevant news and then switch to YouTube.
Definitely.
Because how much do you need per day of relevant news?
Yes.
Probably a good portion these days.
Yeah, you
It's
want
changing fast, but then you should not do that.
And then you should go watch hockey games.
That's right.
You could go back and watch every NHL game from who knows when.
Yeah.
That'd be entertaining. The thing is, you just got to keep your mind on things that are important. So that's Touque Tuesday. I would do anything else. Oh, play games, board games. We play lots of board games.
Yeah.
What
Crokinole.
are some? I was gonna say classic Canadian board game would be Crokinole.
You know, definitely.
Have you guys ever heard of Crokinole? If you haven't, Google it. It's a pretty fun game.
I used to go over to my grandma and grandpa's place and play Husker Du.
Crokinole.
Crokinole, buddies.
Crokinole.
Get her done.
Crokinole.
Hey,
What other Canadian games can we play? You can play canasta.
there you go. I don't know.
Cards. Play cards.
There's
you can
lots.
bake. You can bake Nanaimo bars.
Yes.
And you can bake, what other Canadians? They baked Alaska. That's not Canadian. That's Alaska.
Yeah. No. Mousse.
Now we're baked mousse.
Chocolate mousse.
Chocolate mousse. Chocolate mousse, Canadian.
Hey.
There you go. All right, that's all we got
don't
for
eat,
you.
Just don't eat the mousse jaw.
Happy Touque Tuesday, you guys. Stay safe, everyone. Have fun, and we'll catch ya on the next
Touque
Tuesday. Eh?
Oh, Touque Tuesday. Isn't that brought to you by Living Bold RV Coffee?
that's-
Hey, one thing, when you're hunkering down, there's a few things you don't want to run out of, and one of them, very important, coffee.
This Touque Tuesday has been brought to you today by Living Bold RV Coffee. If
That's right.
you are Canadian, you have got to try this stuff. It is an exclusive blend available from Living Light RV only. Check it out on this link right here.
Yeah.
And in the description below.
When you place your order, within a couple of days, it gets roasted for you, posted for you, and sent to you, and you get it as fresh as it could possibly be. It's
Bean.
the best.
As fresh as it can be.
Ah! Take off, eh?
Alrighty, take off your hoser. Catch you later.